Hello my beautiful crochet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful strap slippers mixed with leather. So please stick around with me as I walk you through step by step on how to do this. So the materials we're going to use includes a shoe sole, an insole, this gold leather, contact adhesive gum, crochet hook and knitting thread. So we're going to start by knowing how to knit this strap. So we're going to start by tying a knot. I will make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to make one single crochet through the chains. We'll start from the second chain. So you insert, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert, yarn over and pull through 2. Make one chain and turn. Insert in this place, this down loop here, yarn over and pull through 2. Then insert in the up loop. In the second loop, insert in the up loop, pull through and pull through 2. Make chain 1 and turn. So here you insert in the down loop, not the up loop, not this loop here, but you are going to insert it down in this place. And make one long single crochet. While in the second place you insert in the up loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Make one chain and turn. In the first loop, you will not insert in the up loop. You will not insert in the up loop, rather you insert your crochet in the down loop and make one long single crochet. So you insert it here, yarn over and pull through 2. In the second loop, insert in the up loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 1 and turn. Insert and make one long single crochet in the down loop. Insert and make one short single crochet in the up loop, pull through, make chain 1 and turn. So we are going to be repeating the same thing. We'll have a total of 30 rows. So I have a total of 30 rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the next thing we're going to do is to cut this strap. So we're going to measure 2 centimeters from this place to this side, 2 centimeters by 14 centimeters. So we'll just follow with scissors and cut it out. So after it's dry, just cuff it this way So I'm going to have a total of 3 and 4 of this strap. So if you look inside the slippers, you will see that there's another leather under here which is holding everything at the middle here. So I cut a piece of paper like this as a template and put it on the leather. Just press it out with your pen and cut. So you cut it, repeat it twice. You're going to have 2 pieces, one like this and the other the same thing like this. After the template, you cut it out. So I'm going to put the 2 together like this and punch. So I'm going to punch this place. So we're going to use needle and thread and sew it through. And you put it the 3rd time. Insert it in the next prick hole. So you can see how I sew it. So you bring the tube, measure and cut 3 centimeters. The next thing we are going to do is to make this flower on top. So I'm going to tie a magic ring. So you tie the thread around your 2 fingers this way and cross. Carry your crochet hook, insert under and pull this one through. Hold it with the tip of your fingers this way and make 1 chain. Make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to make 11 more treble crochet in the magic ring. So yarn over 1, yarn over 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over 1, yarn over 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So yarn over 1, yarn over 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So you are going to continue the same thing until we have 12, including the first chain 3. So at the end of the 12 treble crochet, you can pull it to close the gap. Then we'll join it at the top here with a slip stitch. Then we'll make 3 chains again. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to be making 6 front posts under each of these treble, and insert under the treble, yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through to 1, insert, yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So yarn over again under this treble here, yarn over and insert under this treble here and make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Under the next treble, yarn over and turn this way, insert and make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you are going to keep repeating the same thing under the remaining treble crochet. Under this remaining treble, you keep doing 6 front posts under each of these until you finish, until you come to this last treble here. So we are going to meet at the end. So at the end, you will slip stitch to this side, and cut off the thread. So after I've completed this blue, we are going to make this yellow down. You carry the ruffle flower, turn it, insert your crochet hook this way, yarn over and pull through again to attach, then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then attach it again in the same place where you first attach the thread, and make 1 single crochet. Then make 10 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check the next piece, insert it there and attach with 1 single crochet. Make 10 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Attach using 1 single crochet. So you repeat the same thing round. You keep repeating the same thing until you come back to this place where we started from. So at the end, cut off the yarn and hide the excess. So at the end, this is how it looks. We are going to use our needle and thread and attach it with this place. So please, if you love this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that I don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.